Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Resilio Sync, found at resilio.com, offers a compelling peer-to-peer file synchronization solution. This bypasses the need for a central server, meaning your files are directly transferred between your devices. This decentralized approach offers enhanced privacy and speed, as your data isn't routed through a third-party server. Resilio boasts robust security measures, encrypting your files during transfer and at rest. This ensures that your data remains confidential and protected from unauthorized access. The platform is designed for versatility, compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. This cross-platform compatibility makes it an ideal choice for users who work across multiple devices. Resilio Sync also offers flexible selective syncing, allowing you to choose specific folders and files for synchronization. This granular control over data synchronization is beneficial for managing storage space and bandwidth usage. Whether you're syncing large media files, important documents, or entire project folders, Resilio Sync provides a reliable and efficient solution. The platform is adaptable to various usage scenarios, from personal file backup to collaborative team projects. For individuals and businesses alike, Resilio Sync provides a powerful tool for keeping data synchronized and accessible across all devices. Furthermore, its peer-to-peer architecture offers resilience against server outages, ensuring your data remains accessible even if a central server fails. This robust system also offers impressive speed and efficiency, especially when transferring large files. By leveraging the combined bandwidth of connected peers, Resilio Sync can significantly outperform traditional cloud-based synchronization services. The setup process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to quickly configure and start synchronizing your files. With its comprehensive features and user-friendly interface, Resilio Sync offers a compelling alternative to traditional cloud storage and synchronization solutions. Consider exploring Resilio Sync if you prioritize data privacy, speed, and reliability in your file synchronization needs. The platform's decentralized nature makes it an excellent choice for users who value control over their data.